Hi my besties, welcome back to a new video. Welcome to today's vlog. So a lot of you all requested for a well detailed video concerning hubby's cake. Okay, so this is what I'm giving you guys. So here he's just keeping up his measurement, okay, of the things he needs so that he does not make a mistake in making this cake. So inside the bowl we have egg. Okay, we use 3 eggs and sugar, icing sugar. We use a cup of sugar, that is 250 grams of sugar, and 3 eggs. The egg is just the yolk. We separated the yolk from the white. All right, so this is what he's mixing right here. That is what is inside the mixing bowl. He kept on mixing it on a low heat, on a low speed. Okay, so he kept on mixing it. Then he added water. He's using 200 ml water. All right, and be mixing it slowly. Then he added now is cocoa. The cocoa he used was 4 teaspoons of cocoa, and he's using baking powder, same 4 teaspoons of baking powder. The flour we used was 250 grams of flour. So he kept on mixing everything together. He mixed the cocoa, he mixed the egg, he mixed the water, he mixed the sugar together. Okay, and we added oil. Okay, 1 teaspoon of oil. Okay, we used oil. We did not use butter for this recipe. Okay, this is a butter-free recipe in making the cake. So he kept on mixing everything, and guys, this is his grandma's favorite chocolate cake. Okay, this is what he's making right here. His recipe was in Slovak, but for me he explained the recipe for me in English, just for all my fans that really wanted to know how this cake is. Okay, these are the ingredients. So right here we are pouring our flour, and we kept on mixing everything. We did this in 2 batch, okay, so that we can achieve 4 different cakes. Here he's mixing the white egg, okay, you know, the white part from the egg. So he's making that to be like this foamy consistency. Then he will pour it inside your batter, okay, like the chocolate batter, and he will mix everything together. This way will help the cake to, you know, rise a bit. Yeah, that's what he said anyway. So he's gonna pour everything and mix. So right here he's mixing it. Mix, we mix. How y'all doing? Thank you all so much for the massive love towards our other vlogs. Really do appreciate. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please kindly subscribe, like the video, share and comment. So here we are separating the cake. Okay, we used 2 different pans, the love shape and the circle shape. Okay, so we're going to separate the cake and put this in the oven. We put this in the oven for like 45 minutes thereabouts. Okay, then the heat was 180 degree, so you just keep on checking on your cake so your cake don't get burnt. Okay guys, so loves, here are the 4 cakes we made. This is what it looks like guys, what do you guys think about the cake? Okay, these are the 4 cakes we make. We make some love cake and some circle cake. So inside this batter, because I was not there when he was mixing it, all right, he added butter, normal margarine butter, okay, like 500 grams of margarine butter. Okay, he added sugar, and he added vanilla extract, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 500 grams of sugar of butter, okay, and 250, like half cup of sugar. Okay, then he mixed custard inside the pot, like the way you make custard Okay, he made custard with milk and he mixed everything together, then add it inside that butter. That is what he had there. All right, so here he's trying to make the circle cake to be in the center. You know, he removed the places that has that was puffy. Okay, so to level the cake. So here he's just putting a mark, so when he puts the start decorating the cake, he knows where he can put it in the center. Anyway, he's using building instruction to do this cake. So here he's putting the butter, okay, on the cake. Like, it's time for us to decorate the cake. So he first of all added the butter on the cake, like, or let me just call it like icing or the rest. Then he's using banana. Okay, we use banana. Okay, this is not banana. We'll put the banana around the cake, like to fill in all the whole gaps. All right, after he fills all the gaps of the banana, he will do it like a repeat, if you understand. So now again he's putting more batter on top of the cake. Okay, so keep on putting your batter on top of the cake. I was giving baby girl to test. Then you put more this thing on top, like you just, you know, how do they call it, you do it step by step, guys. Just keep on watching. It's very, very easy. This process is self-explanatory. So right here he is covering the circle cakes. You know, initially you see the reason why he added that line, so that he will know where to keep the cake. Okay, so that is what he's trying to look for, where he kept the line, so you don't go make mistake and your cake look somehow is not balanced. That was why he gave that line indication, and he placed it right in the middle and it sets so well. So that is a tip, just in case you can't get to your center, just make a line, and when you're trying to fix it, you just look for that line you did, and you get you right straight back to where you started. Yeah. Anyway, so right here he's adding more butter on top, because we're going to put the love hearts cake on top. Madam is trying to help out. Okay, empty void inside, but now I've realized you were what I needed this whole time. So he did the same process he did with the circle cake to the love heart cake. Okay, and right here he's trying to cover the cake so that the chocolate cake don't show, it will just be showing the butter. Okay, so this is what we have. We allowed this to cool in the fridge overnight. We did this in the midnight. In the next morning it has cooled overnight. You know, when you put butter in the fridge, it will get stronger. So this is what happened to the cake, and we used chocolate. Okay, like we grated the chocolate and sprinkled the chocolate on top of the cake. So right here he's cutting little pieces of chocolate just to decorate the body of the chocolate. Okay, this is just extra. Okay, then this is what the cake looked like. This is the finish of the cake. This cake tasted so amazing, guys, like really amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you try out this cake. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share and comment. Okay, love. So I'll keep the ingredients in the description box. Okay, you can do well to check all the ingredients of this cake in the description box. I'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.